Samsung users, we've got some exciting news. The One UI 8 update based on Android 16 is finally rolling out for Galaxy A15 5G and Galaxy Tab S9 Plus 5G users on Verizon in the US. If you own one of these devices, get ready for a smoother, smarter, and more stylish Galaxy experience. Samsung has officially started pushing the One UI 8 update with firmware versions A156 UU7 DYB for the Galaxy A15 5G, X818 US6 DYJ1 for the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus 5G. This new version brings not just Android 16's core improvements, but also a ton of fresh design changes, better performance, and enhanced privacy and security features. One of the biggest highlights of this update is Gemini Live, Samsung's new AI-powered assistant. You can now point your camera at something and simply ask Gemini what it is. Or even better, share your screen and get help instantly without switching between apps. It's like having a smart friend living right inside your phone. The update also gives your device a visual refresh, new wallpaper recommendations straight from your gallery, a redesigned lock screen with stylish clock layouts and fonts that automatically adjust based on your wallpaper, especially when it includes people or pets. And here's something many users will love. You can now control your Galaxy Buds directly from settings without opening the Galaxy Wearable app. How to update. To check for the update, just head to Settings, Software Update, download and install. Make sure your phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi before starting the update. Since it's a gradual rollout, it might take a few days to reach everyone on Verizon, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. So Galaxy A15 and Tab S9 Plus users, are you excited for this fresh One UI 8 experience? Drop a comment below and tell me which feature you're most hyped about, Gemini Live or the new lock screen design. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Samsung updates and hidden feature videos.